Today, we're diving deep into the minds of high achievers, just like you. But what exactly goes on in the heads of those top performers? How do they think differently from the rest? Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the minds of high achievers, just like you. We're talking about those people who consistently crush their goals and leave the rest of us in awe. Let's make it happen. Whether it's in sales, creative fields, or just about anything, those top performers share a common secret, and that is their mindset. Let's face it, our thoughts are very powerful. They shape our actions, our decisions, and ultimately determine the results that you and I get. So what exactly goes on in the heads of those top performers? How do they think differently from the rest? Stay with me in this video because we're about to explore some key mindset shifts that can unlock your potential. Are you ready? Let's go. Shift number 1, confidence and equality. Top performers approach challenges with a sense of confidence. They believe in themselves and in their abilities. But here's the key. This confidence isn't about being arrogant. It's about seeing themselves as equal to whoever they are interacting with. So whether it's a potential client, a collaborator, or even a competitor, top performers treat and respect everyone. Shift number 2, they embrace failure as a stepping stone. You see, top performers, they view failure not as an endpoint, but as a valuable learning experience. What a concept. They understand that setbacks are inevitable, and it's the way that is paving the way to success. The road to success is filled with challenges. They analyze what went wrong, that's an important part, and they adjust their approach and keep moving forward. Well, this morning, I was on a call with a lady called Carissa, and she told me that she loves to fail forward fast. So I asked her, please expound. And she said, the faster I act, the faster I know if what I did worked or not. Then I course correct if need be, or continue to take the action that worked. That way I keep the momentum going. Wow, I said, so simple. And what a great angle to consider it. Right on. And here's how you can steal this. The next time you experience a setback, reframe it as a learning opportunity. Ask yourself, what can I take away from this experience? And how can I use it to improve my next attempt? So, fail forward fast because the reward is not the destination, it's in the journey. Think about this one for a reframe. The reward is in the journey. So let's keep moving. Shift number 3, embrace rejection as a stepping stone. I know it sounds cliche, but let's face it, not everyone will love your work. Not everyone. So rejection is absolutely inevitable. But for top performers, it's not a roadblock, it's a stepping stone. They understand that creating something truly original is sometimes going to ruffle some feathers. They take criticism in stride, they learn from it, and use it to fuel their next project. Think about a musician, for example. They know that their music won't be for everybody, and that's okay. But they keep creating, pushing boundaries, knowing that their sound will resonate with the right audience. And that's how top performers think. So, who does your song resonate with? Then play it for audience. Play it for them all the time, and they'll love you for it. Shift number 4. They see value as their driving force. Top performers are driven by a deep desire to create something valuable, something that makes a positive impact, something even that would outlive them. Their intrinsic motivation fuels their creativity and keeps them pushing forward even when they face setbacks, as we talked about. Like Tony says these days, joy and satisfaction comes from growth, not just from having. Therefore, if you and me get joy from growth, when we help others grow, guess what? They get joy and they want more of your value.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, How to Become More, for more insightful business videos like this.
Finally, shift number 5, I know my why. Top performers have a crystal clear understanding of why they do what they do. They have a clear understanding of their personal why. They know what drives them, what gives them passion, about anything that they do and the impact that they want to create. See, this purpose-driven approach fuels their motivation and persistence, especially when the going gets tough. And let's face it, the going gets tough every now and then. And in case you did not notice, all these real whys come from the inside out, meaning you're not dependent on outside circumstances. They take control of what they create, and so can you. So here you have it. These 5 mindset patterns are the foundation upon which top performers build their success. Now, it's important to remember that mindset isn't everything. There's skill, hard work, dedication, and even a sprinkle of talent is involved every now and then. But by cultivating these ways of thinking, you can unlock a whole new level of potential within yourself. So which one of these 5 shifts will work best for you, and will you work on this week? Take a pen and paper right now and write down which one of the 5 will move the needle for you this week. Is it confidence and equality? Is it embracing failure as a stepping stone? Embracing rejection as a stepping stone? Giving value as your driving force? Or lastly, knowing your why? I promise you that the small effort that you put into this exercise will pay and come back tenfold. And if you're ready to get your creative mindset to the next level, I'd love to chat. So I'm offering again a complimentary 15-minute call where we can explore the specific challenges you're facing and brainstorm strategies to help you unlock your full creative potential using those 5 shifts. So just click in the link in the description and actually book your call at a time that's convenient for you. Don't wait. Life is limited, so live it fully. So if you've enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up below and actually a comment as well on what mindsets have helped you and the ones you'll be working on. And remember to subscribe to the channel, and for more content like this, ring the bell so you'll be notified every week and every time we bring something out. And this is something that's awesome. Thanks for watching. This is Francois from howtobecomemore.com, wishing you a lovely day.